guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lee and today I'm going to be sharing a Sam's Club haul with you. Everything here I believe is low carb. Yeah, I think so. And I'm going to try something a little bit new this time. Instead of showing you the receipt at the end, I'm just going to put the prices of the products up on the screen as I go. So the first thing I picked up was this 24 pack of Diet Snapple teas. These are so tasty and it's so much cheaper to get them this way than at our local grocery store. So I picked them up while I was in there. Then I got these bacon crumbles because my husband and son like putting these on their salads. I prefer this bacon on my salads, so I got another package of the Hormel Black Label fully cooked bacon with about 72 pieces. And then my husband was with me and he picked up these Swagerty's Farm premium sausage patties. There are 42 in the package and they are frozen. Then I got some, I don't like the glare, sorry. I got this Hickory roasted turkey breast lunch meat, also for salads and just whatever. So then my husband also picked up these mild cheddar cheese cubes. He likes to grab a few in the morning on the way to work. And we picked up some sliced mushrooms. Then we're almost out of Alfredo sauce, so I picked up a 3-pack of Bertolli. My husband is almost out of coffee, and this was on sale this week, so that works out even better. We needed some mayonnaise. We always need salad. I am salad obsessed, as I've said several times before. And the last items we got were 2 of these rotisserie chickens for salads and whatever, just for snacking on. And I'm also going to be making stock out of the bones, and we'll be having chicken soup one day this week. So that is everything I got this time around. The total was around $130, and I will put that on the screen so you can see exactly what we spent. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook at Lee'sHome05. Thanks for watching. Bye. Puppies.